Today I've got for you an unboxing, a little bit of a treat, a bit of a surprise, because this was a birthday present that was given to me by my daughters, and so we're going to unbox it. What is it? Well, it's the Stream Deck XL, and you can see on the desk there, right here, I've got the original Stream Deck, the 15 key Stream Deck, which I've had for a number of years now. And so it's going to be replaced by this beauty, the Stream Deck XL, fresh in the box. And this is I believe a 32 key Stream Deck. So we're going to open it up, look at the differences, see what's in the box. Now I've already broken the two seals here underneath, just so you know. Here we go. We're going to take the lid off. And first you can see we've got a booklet. So let me just move the lid and the booklet out of the way. Now, as you can see in the box, the main show is right here, the Stream Deck itself. So let's get that out. We need to grab both sides. I believe I'm caught on a bit of cardboard there. Here we go. And you can see it's still in the bag. We're going to take that off in just a second. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got another little Elgato booklet, which would be just your legal and warranty information, I would say. And finally, oh, this is nice, a braided cable, which appears to be USB-C to USB-A, and that would be to plug the Stream Deck into your computer of choice. So that's cool. And I don't believe there's anything else in the box. That is all just packaging in the box there, so all good. So let's move the box out of the way. Let's have a look at this Stream Deck. It comes in a nice, I don't know what you call that. It's like a paper bag, but it's like a material bag. Obviously it's a one-use one. Oh, it just folds off, little sticker. It's going to fold out. Let's fold it. Oh no, it's going to come off. Here we go. It's like a little pouch. Look at that. It's like sits in a pouch and then seals up. Nice. Let's not get rid of this. Just put that out of the way. And here it is. Here is the original 15 key Stream Deck. This isn't the Mark II. This is the original, with the hardwire cable and the stand. This is the one where you can adjust the height. I can go totally flat, and everything else comes in a separate stand like that. But this one, as you can see, the stand is built in. We've got everything here. The stand comes off. Look at that. So you can, if you want to, run it flat, which has its merit, mind you. It has its merit for doing it that way, particularly if you want to, like the original one, you have it has a rim, so you can, if you mount it into like a custom-made desk or something. This one doesn't have the rim per se, but the way the corners are beveled in here, you could do the same thing. But there's 32 keys ready to go. The stand itself is solid, so you can use it on the stand or off the stand. That's cool. It's going to move the stand to the back. Let's plug the cable in. Let's get it ready, because we are going to. I'm keen to get this set up and happening on my desk. So let's just see the basic assembly as part of the unboxing, which would be to add the provided cable. Let's see how long this cable is. That's a decent. I'm going to guess that's a meter. There we go. Oh, gold-plated connectors as well. That's pretty cool. And my understanding is this has to go through the hole, if I'm using the stand, of course, and then into the. For the life of me, I cannot find where the USB-C plugs in. All right, this is where we are going to refer to the booklet. I'll have a quick look. I'll be right back. Okay. Trick for young players. you can see I've got the cable coming through the back, which is right. That hole is for routing the cable. And then you see the main underneath area here, and you're going, I can't see any perceivable USB-C port. But really, it's in the side here. Right, I don't know if you're going to see it in this light or anything, but basically it's going to come in here. Just going to hard plug in there like that. You can see that on the camera, and then that's connected. All I have to do is plug the USB-A end into my dock or directly to my computer, whatever the preference is there. And so I'm going to do that. Maybe because this is the unboxing video, maybe down the track a little bit we will have a review of the Stream Deck XL down the road for you.